everyone. Good afternoon, guests, alcalos, imam, regional educational director, SMC chair, coordinator, MRC Holland Foundation, Mrs. Henrietta Sonko, all the guests present, teachers, students, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. Very warm greetings to each and every one of you. Welcome to Numuyel Upper and Senior Secondary School. For the official inauguration of these mighty buildings of 12 classroom blocks and 2 blocks of 12 classrooms at the lower sector. I am your MC, Mr. Esa Huma, for this event. My wish is to guide you through this program, inshallah. On behalf of the organizing committee, we extend our sincere appreciation for each and every one of you present here today. On this special day, students, parents, and all the invited guests are gathered here with us all with delighted spirit and pride. What we all have been waiting for has finally come to an important stage. Today, we are inaugurating this magnificent structure constructed by MRC Holland Foundation, the Gambia, as well as to appreciate the efforts of each and every one of you. 2 years ago, 2 structures were built and completed by the foundation at the lower section. Last year, the construction of the mighty upper and senior secondary schools started and completed recently. Without further ado, let us now start the program. Please, let us all stand up for the national anthem to be played by the Scout Band. Thank you very much, Scarpa. Thank you very much for that. Yes, delegates, you can have a seat. Imam, please, you are welcome.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salatu ala rasulihi istafa. Allahumma farij al-hammi wa kashif al-ghammi wa mujib da'wat al-mutharrin rahman ad-dunya wal akhirah wa rahimahuma anta tarhamna farhamna bi rahmati tughnina biha ar-rahmat man siwak. Ya Allah, Ya Wadud, Ya Mawjud, Ya Maqsood, Ya Hafid, Ya Salam, Ya Zal Arsh al-Majid, Ya Fa'ad lima yurid. نسألك بدور وجهك الذي ملا أركان عرشك وبقدرتك التي قدرت بها على جميع مخلوقاتك أن تجعل لنا في وقتنا حاجة من كل هم فرجا ومن كل ضيق مخرجا ومن كل بلاء عافية وترزقنا من حيث لا نحتسب وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم تسليما ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Amen. Thank you very much, Ya Imam. Now we are going to invite the Alcalo to welcome his guests. Alcalo, please, you are welcome.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Jamaa begari yuko egari kegemedi o shewoti gemandenga khagire khakara o shewo o waga nuari ni ke dangi halle sherebe gandan duwa gandan ka bagare kebe ko bede baranda halle munan khara konda ni ke mbanye ni kenga kona konda ni ga mona ko ya ga ina do konda ni khari ke alimo da ke moy ko do nga ga ngani kagare kebe nyango da ngani aranda ba ko hakile ngam hala bare men ngen ko ni mungane kagem bal jere ngana hijire nyanga ndamu nguyen ko ten kagare kebe nyango da ngani age moy akiro de silama ko nyen ko do nga ga ngani khashire gare no da khashire saga no da timman dalla do da jara ata tunga bana ga ko na jara ko assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.
The gate has been opened by the Alcalo for us to proceed on the ceremony. Anyway, things will be done somehow fast because things are somehow changed because Mr. President is expected to be here as soon. And at any minute if he's around, things may change as it is planned. Alright, so therefore, after that welcoming remark from the Alcalo, I am going to invite the SMC chair. The SMC chair, a woman who is very hardworking, a woman who wants to see Numuyel's educational success of the children. So a woman who works tirelessly to see Numuyel school progressed. This woman is nobody but Mrs. Fatou Bunature. Mrs. Fatou Bunature, please, you are welcome on stage.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Be mol be kontona mbalu tentula mbalu jayla nanu milen kol Alcalo nata ana do malu na dimol ani na lalu men nata mbalu be kontona momo yela hajo bula kanaja ngala tento mbalu kontona bi lungo kay melun kol ya tento bare soto ngabi lungo soto aketali alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin alama nyongo siami awambe ka fo be kontona be nasate molu kontona be lunta molu kontona be principal kontona ani masana la dindumol be kala muta dindumol kontona kontan talla ko la baake be dareto kontona na dareto ba meme yuari siwo kon ba kontona anala office mol be jigo kontona nenketa na masongoti aya kata baake jigo e menke mota fonola ani nani mituno benala Gambia wuli tan saba jigo e wole di dindumola ko ya nati numelu ko ya kafu ibuloma kontani tabake jigo momenti ala nyindo ko kono ya je biya futata fonin tembo ala ngani ole seneata nanga nyo sunkanta sayo tenyi projet ko tar labo bare nganya beto membala hani ka dala malafa anala office molu be awambe dare to kontona anala office molu be kontani talla nala jambake be emasi holanda kontona anala timo mumebe be emasi holanda kontona anala timo mumebe be emasi holanda kontona anala timo mume birim kombo kata foko ina ndele tama peti emasi holanda nga Gambia karfa alama abe karfa emasi holanda la nga Gambia karfa alama nga karfa emarsi Holanda nga URD karfa alama nga karfa emarsi Holanda nga Numuyel la karamo karfa alama nga karfa URD emarsi Holanda na la molbe nkontantala na la Gambia kono nte membe diamulante mu Gambia dumoti ate luna ta Gambia kono aliye menke ala nyabala mota lu jola bal masata la wo balu jola alu ya kata kuto laka ani kabimbe karfala alama mbe karfala lumen nante ni henderi yata be nyojela nayo nyoje gamsara karamu ko bari wallahi sanole muni ni henderi yata lumen nayo kuma kango men fonye ani numelun ko luma nyoje de ani tele nyoje akonya ko ni ala sonta mbalu de mara adaye menfo ayakele sila mune tuta Numelun ko alikalo alibe sirin nyuma ko abe bungo lola bari bungo be balula dinungola abe bungo lola bari bungo be balula dinungola sa dinungo me nyanta bungo fandila Numelun ko alibe sirine ayeni eta so ni dinungola dula amada da momo ya dada Numelun ko la kurala dinungo ye londo soto lungo be na lale ni dindo di malondo soto ibe fala ni misabungo le kon dinungo mala kairo to amalo bara wulu bana wulu fa oye dinungo la sa mala kairo lo membe kela ke balu ulula musol ulula ke olu Numelun ko ala ke ale hendiriata na la moli nyanta menkela yake sila mone tuta Numelun ko albe siri aye bungo lalie alla dindi mala alla ke ba mala men tuta wakilo le tutalo bullo momenti daw kyoke bebe siri ne yalo ne bungo momenti men natale ina manke banku kili kana lutema men tuta abe alu bulu Numelun ko alu fele sugo fele muro fele dawda diata la biakum endilata nyanta men kala yake awa mbalu kontona mbalu tentula awa bi agata seolu mbati bo alama baro fana ala yo fana nati Numuyel jam anala delegation mume mbalu kontona mbalu tentula modu be karambu yelo le sotola bari president mume oyena ta bente la karambu yelo la mo jama mo soto de awan kontan tale si sai mbe sala awa Numuyel ko ndanga kunyi ndanga tiga Numuyel ko mare mu Numuyel ko ngara ga koina ko dabe nti koina ko nda oya mi Gambia karabane nga kato Gambia karabane nga koina kato le munun kara koina le munun madunya karanga na pase nyinyeni karanga ke ana kasiye ngomaka karango la londo ala nduruta le Numuyel URD ala nduruta Numuyel URD le mune ati nanga mbayele mandila manika kangola na dare to mu mani ko masakunda la dokula ni mo kemelem 75 fo be botale kombo kana do ko la URD sa URD dinungol ni la wulula ndel fana nyanta katala ngaw bondije nga fere ke na URD dinungol be londo soto la nyam Numelun ko ndiga men nakata haya kana nyati alla di haringa alla da hokinoy ona senta nyai oy men ma senta ke kinoduya alla ndakinoy alla gara sentan kinoy corona haike be sidenga alla da sentan kinoy corona haike be sidenga arabin karan kombo dun ko mi kunyi ni ngida nyugunga no lemunga no oya honi arabin karan kompe ke oya honi ke usukulun kompe arabin karan kompe nga degu me kamara anda lemuno wa ka kunyi corona ki tenki ni me oya honi arabin karan kompe nga oya honi ke usukuluya oya lemunu ni suya oga no ki tenki ni me ku kompo hili su haka lemunu kuna arabentu ina usukuluntu oya lemunu ndaga kunyi ndaga tiga awa ngincho ni kagare kunyi haja jene bakamara oro ya garin tire kagoro ya gare be gana widutu chairman nulli ili mitini kedi modas club president nulli ili mitini kedi na chairman nata kana mitino la ja modas club president nata mbalu be kontona numero kulo salam president mbalu be kontona anala monitor momo nata le mbalu kontona sai kumo koleata ni dia mo kono memma betia arsiyan famba assalamu alaikum
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, SMC Chair, Ms. Fatuguna Ture. Thank you for that wonderful presentation, wonderful statement. I think if Numuyel people do as he said, I think a lot of things will have changed here. Inshallah. Without further ado, we're going to proceed on the program. So now I will call, we're going to have a short entertainment within this period. So, thank you very much. Thank you. Right. We're going to call Amadou Balde at lower basic, grade 6, to come and recite a poem for us. Amadou Balde, you are welcome.
Good afternoon, distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, respectful parents, dear friends, and any other person present in this gathering. It is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you all to the Numuyel LBS, UBS, and SS Schools Inauguration Ceremony. We are gathered here today to celebrate, discuss, and engage in this inauguration that marks a significant moment for us all. I extend a warm welcome to each one of you, especially special guests whose presence today adds a remarkable value to our gathering. This event, inauguration of the schools, is a platform for sharing ideas, fostering relationships, celebrating achievements. Today is not just about the event itself, but about the opportunity it presents for us to talk about the importance of a school and teaching and learning. Your participation and efforts, whether as speakers, organizers, or attendees, are what transformed this event from a vision into a memorable reality. We have an exciting lineup of activities, speakers, performance, extract, designed to both enlighten and entertain. Good afternoon to my respected teachers and my dear friends. My dear friends, education is the tool which removes all the differences among us and makes us capable to go ahead together. It makes our challenging paths to life. It makes our challenging paths of the life very easy to lead. Getting quality education is like yoga and meditation, as it requires concentration, patterns, and dedication. Without education, there is no difference between human beings and animals. Education is a powerful tool capable to solve all the social, personal, and family problems. It is like a medicine which has capability to treat almost all the diseases. Getting education is not only means to get good job, it means to make a good personality, to be healthy and fit, to maintain hygiene, to be happy all time, to behave well to others, to tackle all challenges of life, and so many.
Thank you very much, Amaru. Thank you so much. This poem alone has covered almost the whole program, because what it entails is really, really powerful. So it's like education is everything. It's the key to life, key to success. All right. Now I will go for invite Haruna Balde and Salima Tujane, who also have a poem to recite for us. Haruna and Salima, you are welcome.
Do you know who I am?
Oh no, I don't know who you are.
Oh, you don't know who I am?
No, I don't know.
I am the trees, the forests.
I am the lakes, the rivers.
I am the hills, the mountains.
I am your surrounding, the environment.
You depend on me for food, water, air, and fuel. But the only thing you feed me is with industrial race and domestic race. I am in this condition because of pollution, deforestation, and industrialization.
Mr. Industry, people's lives are better than your health. So release your harmful gases to the atmosphere.
Why you pollute the air you breathe, dodge the water you drink, destroy the fragmentation of the land you cultivate? Oh my goodness.
Water can be drink but with its pureness.
Food can be eaten but with its healthiness.
Air can be breathed but with freshness.
So something must be done so that we will not be gone. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much. That wonderful poem. All right. Now we'll continue on the program. So we will invite somebody who is tirelessly working to see the development of education and the improvement of students in academic performance. The guy who is nobody but the director, Mr. Lamin Sonko. He is the one here representing the ministry, and he has a big thought, and through we can all have a food of thought from what he's coming to say. Please let us all sit down and listen to the director's speech so that we all benefit from it. Director, please, you are welcome.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, Alkalo Numuyel. Assalamu alaikum, Imam Ratib Numuyel. Assalamu alaikum, Council of Elders Numuyel. Assalamu alaikum, Council of Elders Numuyel. Assalamu alaikum, Fature Anala Kompino Molu, Mothers Club Numuyel School. Numuyel Lower Basic, Numuyel Upper Basic and Senior Secondary School. Assalamu alaikum, principal and staff of Numuyel Senior Secondary School and Upper Basic, Numuyel Lower Basic School, Madam Sane, Assalamu alaikum. Let me say good afternoon to everybody, all sundry here present. Good afternoon, everybody here present. Good afternoon, our honorable, distinguished, highly distinguished guest, Madam Henrietta Sonko and her team from MRC Holland Foundation. Let me first of all express my profound gratitude to be associated with this program as Regional Director URR. I am highly gratified. It is my utmost pleasure to be associated with this program here in Numuyel, to see the official inauguration of Numuyel Upper Basic and Senior Secondary School. Before I proceed, let me first of all thank the entire community of Numuyel for the ambience, for the warm reception that is accorded to the entire team of Henrietta and MRC Holland Foundation, as well as my Regional Educational Directorate Office. We are most pleasant and very pleased to be with you and to be associated with this program. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to first of all commend our heartiest congratulations and commendation to the government of the Gambia under the able leadership of President Adama Barrow, His Excellency the President of the Republic of the Gambia, for creating the enabling environment to make this dream come true. It is under the leadership of President Adama Barrow that made all this possible. This government has opened arms to all and sundry. All stakeholders, all partners in the development, particularly in the education sector, are being welcomed by the President and the Head of State. On behalf of the government, on behalf of my minister, the Honorable Minister, Madam Hadisi, Minister of Basic and Secondary Education, on behalf of my Permanent Secretary, Mr. Louis Moses Mendy, I want to extend our heartiest congratulations to the entire government under the leadership of His Excellency President Adama Barrow for creating this enabling environment for all partners, particularly stakeholders, to participate effectively in the education sector, service sector. Thank you very much, President, and the entire cabinet. Let me also extend our heartiest congratulations and commendation to MRC Holland Foundation under the stewardship of Madam Henrietta Sonko for complementing government's efforts in the education sector. The construction of classroom structures, staff quarters, toilets, students and staff toilets is one of the most important components in the school improvement program. School quarters, staff room, staff quarters, toilets, borehole for water facility is immense in the education sector. That is one of the component or one of the pillars of our component in the strategic for education development, especially in the whole school development. Building classrooms is to create enabling environment for effective teaching and learning to be conducted in the school. Building staff quarters is to create that conducive environment for teachers to be able to have their good time in their houses, very good accommodation. That is probably one of the most challenging areas we have in this community. Accommodation for staff is a major challenge in this community, particularly in the URR. There are many schools here where staff are posted and thereafter they will return to my office only to complain to me that they don't have accommodation in the community. But in the advent of the intervention of MRC Holland Foundation, school quarters, wherever they step in, is already a forgotten conclusion. Thank you so much, MRC Holland Foundation, for the construction of school buildings, toilets, staff quarters, and borehole that also used for providing water facility, clean water facility, not only for drinking and washing, but also for the schools to be able to conduct their agricultural practices. That goes a long way to augment their school feeding programs in the school. The building of staff quarters, school classrooms, is in the realization of transforming education to ensure that there is quality education in place. I am sure these classrooms, these quarters, will translate to improved learning outcomes in Numuyel Junior Secondary School and Senior Secondary School. Let me also thank the community for their support. The community of Numuyel, the Alcalo and the entire Committee of Elders in Numuyel, the Mothers Club of Numuyel under the leadership of Fatou Bana Toure, the VDC, head teacher and staff of all the school, both lower basic and the senior secondary school. I want to thank you all very seriously for your immense support to the construction of this school. You have created ideal environment for the contractor and his team, and your support is by no means cannot be undervalued. Thank you very much for all your support to the contractor and team for making a good job. I now turn on to the contractor, Mr. Jigo. Mr. Jigo has done a wonderful job. Looking at these structures, it is fabulous. The school buildings are fantastic, very spacious, enough ventilation, and of course, wonderful in this area of the country. To Mr. Jigo and the entire team of Jigo Construction, thank you very much for a job well done and a timely completion of your projects. These projects are very amazing, fabulous, and fantastic. Thank you so much, Mr. Jigo, for a job well done. In conclusion, before I close my speech, I want to remind the headmaster, staff, and community, and the entire community of Numuyel that the old adage that says, to whom much is given, much is expected. In other words, I want to say, these buildings here in Numuyel, the staff quarters, the classroom structures are all here to ensure there is adequate teaching and learning in Numuyel. And I am sure that this being provided to you will add an added impetus to your efforts in teaching and ensuring that there is quality education in Numuyel. To the community of Numuyel, the Alcalo and community, Fatou Bana Toure and the Mothers Club, I want to seize this opportunity to implore on you that these schools or these buildings are, in as much as they are fabulous and fantastic, their meaning would be underestimated or will be underrated if these buildings are not completely full with students. Come September, the beginning of next academic year, when I come around, I want to see all these classrooms being adequately filled, full to the maximum. In fact, I would want the headmaster to be the first point to knock on my door to say, Mr. Director, Numuyel Senior Secondary School and Junior Secondary School or lower basic really needs more classroom structures because the enrollment has increased. That is going to be my first point to observe, and I implore on the community to ensure that all these classrooms are filled adequately and abundantly come September 2024. In conclusion, the headmaster, staff, Mr. Jiba and Madam Sane of the lower basic school, I want to implore on you to make sure that these facilities are properly maintained. Maintenance culture is our problem in the country. But as far as MOPS is concerned, you are all aware that you have a budget line for maintenance of facilities in the school system. I don't want to see the system or the school to sit on their laurels to see small minor damages being escalated to major damages to destroy the structures here being inaugurated here. Mr. Principal and staff, the headmisters and staff of the lower basic school, please do not compromise with the maintenance culture. I implore on all of you to ensure that these facilities are adequately maintained so that they stay here and serve for the test of times, and they stay here in good shape. Finally, I thank you all for your kind attention.
Thank you so much, Director, for that wonderful deliberation. Now we'll invite the coordinator, the context coordinator, Mrs. Henrietta Sonko, MRC Holland Foundation, to come and give her speech on this occasion.
Salam alaikum, Numuyel Kol. Bi al natang ke sarawuloti memang sarawula kangomoy. Numuyel ameta kabring kanajang nana follow nata nana follow jang nata alla karamuo jube ngaje ko primary school o abe detering bake aning alla secondary school o fanang be primary school o kono bare wo wato secondary school o mang dinding jamasoto so nata fo karamuo alimol al dindingol siandi secondary school o la ningali oke nsina secondary school of anang law alie so folota ngabung tang aning fula law primary school oto wokola nata murung jang ngatang ning fula ka fujang fanang bifela mbawara jurakan nkontanta bake ka je ko fatu bonnature block la ketal jang ali atola ala modest club president wala me akata bake Numuyel karang kuoto kumala suti akama katu ngaje ko luntang bal fanang be futakang dia monta demanding aning ala ex pupils dindingol menu karanta jang menu jita Numuyel Senior Secondary School ola ngenyin ka for kata university bang iko hon ntol mangta university katung mang sponsor soto nata fae ko wo mang ka dalla kendo tide katung tol sal sponsor dila so mang lafi wo moila so mbe batukang isinana officer ina kaito dundi pour isita university, warang isita college, warang isita school of nursing. Katung ni danta grade 12. Mafo ko ila karango mangsi. Bari membe tiata ay continue alieta university fan. Nying lungol kono bi mbe Numuyel. Bari nying lungol kono karambung muang aning nani mbe wala yelekan ka Gambia karobe ngana programo fanang ki president oya aning President Baro nata Numuyel tombong pour afanang sinajang aning kontanta wala bake afelem bate fango batukang President Baro ayentol makoy bake akam bambu bake wati o wati abe nyinin karola alla do ko be takang nyadi munema ala problem oti nsal makoy no nyadi pour do ko si sonia al kanar tarde soto dulato so ntoning President Baro abe tin killing ola so ala najang wali en kontani bake aning afele ngalong ko amang jang fasang wala tina amang lafi diamo jang fandila katung na programa mang bang follow nsi dol fanang so ye kontine ala baraka
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you, Ms. Sonko. All right. So as far as we have little time, anyway we are constrained of time. So what we'll do is, if we are allowed, we'll invite Al-Husseini. We'll invite Al-Husseini to do the awarding, prize awarding. Al-Husseini, you can come. But anyway, huh? Governor. Okay. All right. Scout Band. Thank you, Scout Band. Now we want to do the presentation, please. Al-Husseini, you're going to help. Please, we recognize the arrival of Governor. So you are welcome to Numuyel Open Senior Secondary School, Governor. We're starting the presentation of the award. All right, Jibril. So can we have Al-Husseini Sisoho to award Jibril? Jibril is Al-Husseini Sisoho. Thank you, Jibril. So we can now have Fatu Banga, please. Fatu Kawar. Al-Husseini. Who's coming? Degume. Let's have Degume to award Fatu Manga award, please. Yes. Let's Fatu, come and take you after that. So we have Penda Jallo, you can come on stage. Al-Husseini Kamara, Alhaji Yusuf Kamara. Alhaji Yusuf Kamara, Command Awards, Mrs. Penda Jallo. Miss Penda, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. It's a token of appreciation. So we'll now invite, now we're going to call Mrs. Henrietta Sonko, Emergency Holland Foundation Coordinator. Anyway, this is just a token of appreciation. They can pay you. This is just a token of appreciation. So please, you can come and have this award. Let's have Fatu Buna, the chair lady of the school, to award her. So, Ms. Henrietta, this is just a token of appreciation. All right? We have to say. Thank you.
kira manira hin mbadi Numuyel ngolo lumare mu Numuyel ngolo kakira ya mu ngotora makira ado ha mai Numuyel ngolo kasurunyani magadani hakendi oguro ke ka goro nebe isuruni ogara hosu kita ogara koya waya gumba koy oda latiga oda lenki ko tankita nyuma moli be sadio di la bari bukanin sifati la de ni so la fonni ena Numuyel le ka goro sate le mujanti Numuyel ko kasuru nyana kaduro ko to buru ara ya gumbo koy o alla nyaga na alla tajike ke bonondi na barakero de be kedi na barakero karan kompe kedi na barakero jamane kedi na barakero yuardidi o wadare ton kunyene harisa ko ko nyakali yema si Holanda na Numuyel ngolo imuja toti balol fana muja to letide ol fana muja to letide iko nyi ine nyimbe talale alla office molu membe kombo alu bele nyanta konto ngo kala jam bara bete nanola meni tutaje ane nyimbe tala alu ya jani ka ke furo kono ini la office molu be ntalu jonola alu yemenke ntelu talu jola bari ala balu jola Numuyel ngolo ko kontani tabake na tara bin nin so bije nyanta nin so na la julole dila bari ni
fo ñing mu Sadio ti bang fo amu ñin sorti
Sadio le mu ñin
wara ka bake
Sadio le mu ni mu Sadio le mu
bari ni ñen so sida
ila do gole yatina alu yemenken telu talu jola ala le balu jola ini la office molu be alu yakata bake na li kalor be siri al mamol be siri i kontani ta la ko la bake ala barka alu nyuma na ta ala malu nyuma futani alu nyuma bota kombo kana yuarde ala malu nyuma futani kontani ta bake dinnu ngol ala malondo baraka di modila ala malu nyuma ay ko nyuma monti
ni mu Sadio ti bang fo anen solam
Sadio le mu kagoro nu la Sadio le mu
sanyi ya dango je nyari le aniti mule ya tale bomu
ainin so sidi
ainin so sidi
yo Numuyel ngolo abaraka bake ntol fanang ning tata ning na officio mol mbe Numuyel duwala ngal duwa alla karamu e fatep alla karango diningol la karango ye Numuyel ngolo nafa itafo dangdulato amin
Thank you very much. Thank you. All right. Now I will invite little entertainment. Okay. The cultural groups.
Para
That was a wonderful performance. Thanks so much to the Fuller Cultural Group. Thanks so much. So we will continue on the entertainment as far as we are still waiting. So we'll invite the Sarahule Cultural Group, Sarahule Students Cultural Group to come and perform, please. Sarahule Students Cultural Group, please. You are welcome on stage. Come forward, come forward. Come forward, come forward.
ay musidɓe am Fulbe TV ko ani neɗo wondema ɗo jiya live programme ɗo Numuyel ɗo gandanta ɗo wurite school hande ɓe wiɗo school mo gandanta ko MRC Holland Foundation wuriti school ɗo ɗum noon o jiiɗo noon joni min mbaɗi ha programme i waɗama fo ha paari joni ala heɗi tan ko président ko duwa arde ɗo tawe guddigol ngol nden noon ministre aji ɗi fuɗɗi garde onon fof ko teddugal moɗon te noon Fulbe TV so on paalama ladde programme o live oɗo jawi wadde probléme fof tiwi mbaɗa subscribe jiyon programme o live inchallah ɗo ha Europe nden noon calminama
It's not part of president's plan, so
hanno tum numel ala den tawdo e president advisor misa Sehu Mbalo den ko musida salmi on fon ke tamen dal tuta hoto bula salminama
on calminama TV Fulbe mi weltima bete pour mbagol kam interview
ya hoto bu mi jiido gila yontere nde fof yiya programme min yagol affaire programme Allah waɗi en kawriɗo minen kala minen goppi kulle gudi go yaade school ji gandanɗa e marché Holland Foundation ɗi golli e adade président Adama Barrow kono keɓɗa wonde ko yetteɗa musidal ngal affaire ɗi school ji ha e président Barrow no woni gollide éducation o
amin ɗo holliri wondema MRC Holland Foundation ɓe mbaɗi ligge moƴƴe ɗo Gambia ɗo ɓe mbaɗi support the Gambian people ɓe mbaɗi support ngu laamu ngu gandanta His Excellency President Adama Barrow school ji kewɗi darima throughout under the leadership of Henrietta o waɗi ligge moƴƴe indi Gambia ko gandanta ɗum woni history in this country ɗum hay goto wawta ɗum wadde eradicate hande kala ɗo jaaɗa hande kabir koyna ha katon school ji ɗi fof mbaɗama renovate o darni school ji moƴƴi dulaji ɗi fof ɗi jiiye Gambian ɓe beltima hay goto meeɗa sikkude Numuyel heɓanno oni school hande si wiyama ko Numuyel heɓino oni school ɗum ko alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin wonani kam weltare a bete saabu minne hoore am komi ɓiɗɗo jimara ɗo takka Numuyel ɗo gimmimi so ɗum wonani kam weltare a bete
hay tuba ko tigi gadduɗo e marché Holland Foundation wiyo sa yi mbaɗi bayot e golle ɗo fof ko président Adama Barrow walli ɗumen yajjinani ɗumen jippima ɗumen ha kala ko palade leydi nde fof ta alaji hokki ɗumen lawol gandanta ɓittinaka hen nden noon koto keɗɗa ko jeɗoɗa yimɓe hen
ko waɗi ɗum sa yi Holland MRC Holland Foundation waɗana ɗum ko yimɓe ɗi jii wondema ko yimɓe parɓe wallude education ɓeydude education cukale ɗe ko ɗum addi te His Excellency President Adama Barrow kanko ko sifaɓe yimɓe o yiiɗi ko ɗum addi o yajjanani ɗumen o uritani ɗumen damole ɗe pour noɓe liggo ɓe mballa education system o pour yaara yeeso ko ɗum jiiɗen ɗo hande throughout the country fof ɗi yaara yeeso fof ɗi sa laari school ji ɗi ɗi darne alhamdulillahi henreyata ɗi wondi he laamin seedi hay goto humpaka ɗum ligge mum ɗo Gambia ɗo ko neɗɗo jiɗɗo président Adama Barrow ko jiɗɗo Gambia ko liggotoɗo so alhamdulillahi ko ɗum addi hande ligge maɓɓe ɗe ko continue tan ɗi continue onon kala ɓe gandaranta na mbuɗɗinana Gambiyanɓe ɓe o programme onon kala yimɓe ɓe ɗi beltani on saabu goɗɗo hande wawi joɗade America goɗɗo jooɗo Sweden goɗɗo jooɗo France because of télévision moɗon o mbawa yiide ligge mbatteɗe ɗin ɗo Gambia ɗe on jarama a bete mbakkile continue ligge mon
eyyi mi haala ha joni ko on live programme waɗa hittade ɗo e nder Numuyel Fulbe TV sasano honorable honorable jarama wari ɗo kadi noon tawa ɗo neɗɗo men moƴƴo guiɗ ɗo ko Fulbe teeri Fulbe TV woni ɗo nden noon ha joni mi andi noon ko Numuyel monɗen ɗo eɗen paari ɗo His Excellency Président Adama Barrow kono noon alano mbatten nen jewten nde mo gandanta o darani président Barrow hadde ɗe fof kala ɗo mbiɗa nde kala ɗo mbiɗa dusano aduna o fof ɗe andi woni dusano nden noon mawɗo a salminama
a salminama a juurama hande ni ko ñalande goɗɗo mbo anduɗa mi sikkutan Gambe naaɓe ɓen kamɓe fof wawa andude ko hon ɗum addi ɗo président ɓaye ɓe naɓan ɗum ka bantaba koto école ɓe naɓi ɗum ɗon on ɗon mano koye jamano hombo ko jamano président Barrow ko on ɗon o fotno arde laarude école aji ɗi ganduɗa ko ɗum o woni darninde e leydi o ko ɗum woni koyngal men o
eyyi ko noon minen min jeehi ɗo school ji kewɗi ko noon ɗaɓɓiɗo MRC Holland Foundation darɓe school ɓe manti hen président no feewi mbiyo sa yi keeɓi jaam keeɓi wodde golle ɗe mbawi wadde e nder Gambia ɗe fof ko jippina nde noon président no wattu fof lamdol ɓe caɗele mumen ɗi gandanta jippini men jiiɗi noon président Barrow no feewi on walli ɗumen ha mbawi wadde ko waɗi ko kono mboɗo yewtande no jamma o fof ko honno président Barrow woni yejjinande kala palaɗo arde e leydi he fi waɗa école waɗa développement walla ɓiɓɓe leydi ɓe
andi neɗɗo si woni neɗɗo jaam kala addo jaam sa hawri e muɗum ma on yaada Holland Foundation kamɓe kala ma ko jaam tan ɓe enoyi fi addugol ma ndi leydi Allah waɗino ɓe tawino ɗo goɗɗo mo annduɗa kon ɗon kala ko on ɗon jaam o woni e ɗaɓɓude ko ɗum woni his excellency président Barrow ko ɗum waɗi golle mumen ma o weeɓa e juuɗe mumen ndi te wona oɗon tan e si Allah jaɓino han e jeen ha yeeso goto fof jiyat e guide muɗum inchallah
a jarama
a jarama a jarama
Oh my God, what a comment. Sina sound ala. Ha joni mi andi non ko Fulbe TV woni live programme o ketelon do e miɗen goyen ɗo sa wiyete Numuyel tawede uddide school mo gandanta e Marcy Holland Foundation moɓe darnani saare nde witende Numuyel nde nden noon o jii programme o no yimɓe kewiri hay président o tigui weltima ko e Marcy Holland Foundation ko ɗum wadde ko ɗum waɗi wiyo ngol ɗo kay kanti ko be tawe e programme he nden noon ala ko jiiɗon joni e président waɗi heɗaɗi ara joni o jii ambiance o ɗo yimɓe ɓeɗo kewi fooɗi heeɗi ɗi fadi président o jottagol mum ngol ministre aji mum ɗi gaari gila e minister of information Dr Ismaila Cissé, Minister of Agriculture Demba Sabal ɓen fof jiyama ɗo min dari to ha e presidential advisor Sekou Mbalo ha e Minister of Presidential Secretary of Presidential Affairs mo gandata ko woni Baboucar Diouf ɓe fof giɗo ha e Deputy Youth President mo NPP Lamini Seydi e ɓen fof gari nden noon ala ko mattede o nani président o ɗi ara eyyi o ñii président o yettagol mungol joni ala ko on yettima eyyi waɗi ko yooɗi tigui noon waɗi ko yooɗi président o tigui ɗi weltani e Marcy Holland Foundation ardade Mrs Henrietta o ñii kankala tawama ɗo ha e chairman mum no walla head of government walla e mbiya gabbiɗo e golle mumɓe foof e nder Gambia ɗo woni Lamini Seydi e nden noon musidɓam ko jii ko gandanɗa ko yooɗi ɗum ɗon noon ko ɗum tan ɗoyteɗen kala philanthropiste walla kala organisation mo gandanta dariɗo waldugol cukalɗe waldugol éducation o nden ɗum fof ɗi weltana on jaraw maɗo jaraw ok on ɗo miteɗa
min ko Mahamadou Simaka
Mamadou Simaka miɗen galanima ɗo Numuyel ko Fulbe TV live wonɗa e yewtude nden noon ɓe jii ɓangala tawama ɗo e yan programme o hono keɓɗa ko jewtanɗa musidal ngal affaire o sengo programme ɗo
tabarakallah mi weltima journaliste alhamdulillah ɗo ko Numuyel okuni sonin ko ñeyi deɓe kere alhamdulillah waɗa Allah tiga Numuyel ko i duɗokoto sonin kara duɗokoto alhamdulillah keni kahwayi na school jigindi ma grade 12 ewa Kenya immigration o magare lenki ewa alhamdulillah rabbil alamin keke ni Allah tiga ñeyi katta Numuyel suka homantenga katta sonin kara suyi o sewon teña narita awa ono jamangu men dugu kenga ni hadama bare alhamdulillah rabbil alamin no nara dugure alhamdulillah na gemunde anari karan kompe ke ananguñi Kenya nge moy Kenya ni sallallahu alaihi
ok a jarama o nani o ɗo ko Numuyel ɗo jeeya kayen ko sankullere yo nanani pulle kono weltanima tigui programme o no fewini ha joni mi haalna on tan ko Fulbe TV mon ɗon jentade live walla darɗon live fi ɓuriɗe school mo gandanta Holland Marcy Holland Foundation moɓe mbaɗani e tundu URR saare witende Numuyel nden noon o jarama tigui eyyi ok eyyi o jii eyyi o jii président o ɗe arde joni président men no hoɗeno fo heeɗima hay motoji ɗi ɗi gara ala ko ndare den ko taga buri bon okay ay wodi ko yodi wallahi wallahi wow aha okay ma pare wodi ta do se nanjo hajo ko fude tini mo ta de live wala ko ndade live
Always make the Holland Foundation your best friend in this country. Because they are delivering and they are working with very serious contract. Mr. Jigo is the one building the URR, so obviously we are happy with the structures. We are happy with the pace. And the building also is within time and within budget. So this is really amazing. It is something we thought is impossible, but it is possible with the Holland Foundation. So we thank the Holland Foundation, we thank the contractor, thank the government, thank the alcalde and the entire villagers, because their support is immense. Without their support, we cannot do this. Definitely, we are very, very proud of you, and we are proud of the schools that we are building now. We all went to school here, but during our time, it was completely different. Today, now we have computer village. They access internet and do everything at the village level. So that means the education is at the doorstep of every Gambian. That's what we are trying to do. I think, if I don't forget the record, they're building almost 10 classrooms every day. That is our case. That is incredible. So, and they are still partnering with us, and they are pragmatic, they are very proactive. There is not much bureaucracy. Let us come to the Holland Foundation. And that is the beauty of the Holland Foundation. So we thank you very much for the support. We are very, very, very grateful. Especially my government. So on behalf of my government and the entire cabinet and the government, we thank you for this. We are grateful.
I would also like to express how grateful we are, because we only have a very small team, and it's only through partnership that we can reach what we are reaching. The Ministry of Education is very important, but even His Excellency the President is always asking, always finding out what is MRC Holland Foundation up to. Anytime he also sees a school in need, he will make sure we get to know about the school, and we also try our best to see how we can help. So it's a partnership, and His Excellency is part of the partnership and part of our office. So we are very grateful for that collaboration, And we hope that we will be able to work together for a long time to make sure all the children in the country have a place in a classroom out of the rain and out of the sun.
Thank you very much. Eyi miɗen belti hande men ngari Numuyel arde laarde o school moƴƴo school jaajɗo ɗum wonani men weltare ko jande namata leydi yeeso hande men keeɓi noon partner mo ganduɗa ko Holland Foundation kala ɗo ɗon mbi yoɓe gollan men tan ɓe daroɓe golla ɓe wakkili ɓe gollina leydi ndi ɗum noon laamu am ngu jaariɓe jaari Holland Foundation min jaari gouverneur min jarni jarga saare yimɓe saare fof so yimɓe saare ɓe jaɓani school o wawata wadde kono ko yimɓe saare ɓe kamɓe nangi hen ha tiiɗi o school wawi wonde ɗum noon ɗum wonani men weltare tigui wonani men yaade yeeso on jii joni ko computer ji woni dowri no jogui computer no jogui internet ɗum hay goto sikkano ɗum ɗon kono noon alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin heeɓi sa heeɓi partner moƴƴo heeɓi neɗɗo jiɗɗo ma jiɗɗo laamu ma ta ɗum ko yettere Allah min jetti Allah min jaari on journaliste ɓe kadi
ko an tigi yiɗi mo because si tawi no a yaɗani e maɓɓe good relation tun hareno ɓe moɓi ɓe yeehi kono ko an yettete because ko an woni hoore leydi ni jarama président
kono noon ko min ɗum mi haali woni ko haalno mi anda ko bitintono haalmi ɗum wi mawɓe men folo kamɓe ɓurno en wawde politique mawɓe men solo si ɓe heeɓi koɗo mo ɓe andana ɓe teddini mo mo immoto e leydi e balli maɓɓe ɓe waalo lees on waala e dow balli ndi wona wondema kanko jeeyi galle maɗe kono ko teddungal ko ɗum watta ha o suusa hariti mon yaha seeɗa o wawatama yejjidde ko ɗum woni ɓeeɗo gila ɓe gaari min jippi e balli amen ɓe gokki ɓe mbaali ko ɗum adi hande ɓe wawa men gollide ɗum ɗo on jarama
hewto e jaam musidɓe an ko noon nani ɗi yewtereji kelɗuɗi ɗon iɗon andi noon nangue ngen no wuli base ga kono wolota ko ala ka président Barrow fowto si tawi tan ɓiɓɓe leydi ɓen fowtaki heɓani ko faala kon o jooɗotako ko ɗum waɗi mo doga jemma e ñalorma rek fi yiwgol wondema piiji ɗin fo yeehi
eyyi a jarama kadi yatu mi salmini kala mo ganduɗa hana dara o programme ɗo GRTS yo Fulbe TV andani ko mawɗo leydi o haali ko ko 10 classroom block woni classroom sappo e nder o school ɗo Numuyel upper basic school te woni ganduɗa ko laamu Gambia e MRC Holland Foundation ko ɓen nagodiri no mbaɗa o project te no président o wi tan for the first time e ado en jii joni hayɗo tori ɗo laboratory ɗum woni computer sukaɓe ɗo janggi computer hana ɗo hen te ɗum woni ɓeydade nde ganduɗa woni développement waɗuno nawrat éducation woni jangde nde yeeso so ko jiiɗen ko ɗo ɗum no humpini te alhamdulillah hana ñagoɗe tan yo Allah ɓeydu te jara yeeso te hoori wonnema jangde éducation nder Gambia ko yeeso tan feemi
jarama Boy
Okay, hajon Fulbe TV ko Fulbe TV ngono abade live Numuyel the school bangananta MRC Holland Foundation wadi den no den jalijo bangananta ko jalijo mawdo ngandanta ko jalijo president Mawdo Sabaro kala bi Sabaro woni bodi don den non ko nganda do e leydi he ala tan don jaliba inimba
nimbara
te mi je programme do bi akumada de adiada
ngondanta bake bare Gambia ko lafta men na nata wol wala mo londo bi ani nyaato da modula fulo ga dunya samba
Follow. Ite lu jamaati boda minto ani jamalum jali.
Tele mu jali buramati. MPP la jalo. President Adama Barrow jalo, Gambian gol la jalo. Jalo men lafta Cairo la, ala fita Cairo sama di banko ka, wala mu det.
Ngaye ko binata fana inata mabe jang. So e muna fo me alon ko e manna, isi muna fo le pri yalon ne ko ha muna be kerin jang Numuyel sadoko.
Be men fo Gambia dun le dron. Nga bulan na man sakyo no mga support na sembe duyan kadu skulo njube ne skulo je kalna ka fa barko la nyindo skulo be mu karoldi man so men ala fita do gola abe banko kan do golla ala fita banko lo nyatala alla fi ala banko mun talati abe ndo ku kendo men be ka bake ka pour Gambia dun le amake pour akumwe na tara kumolo mutumba de yinkala jang apa sambala yare oto man sa kendo ni mo soto ngafo ala ya baraka mo man so tendu na kay
Okay, barka baki.
Mamudu Baro Dino.
Ayam karambuti. Wih, mana ni tempat yang sepi? Okay, ano na present para mo ito? Ay, ano na ni present no? Laris class ni po. Kasi yey sulay na kesuto yalti. Yo di samina ngal be meeting be wala tawe be programme. Den no joy body wayno bari mo hoti joni president Barrow den non on jarama gabi do Fulbe TV ko ha joni o ngandi ko Fulbe TV gabi do live Fulbe TV do gabi do live den no way be tari ko ha joni ko Fulbe TV don ngawale man non tammi telo wandi sama kalajo balo joni do ha France jeya ko sare bitende sa italo e de yuara den non ngadi gamen because telo ko tele mo yuara jeydu telo jimira den non ko tere ame wondo wandi sa yede Numuyel den na ko sa binama ay o joni president do wayno si wayno non minen kadi be ja ha sare wonde den podo yade ha garawol koyna ay dengan tumanna school e lobda mangata ko baro dalani tumanna o woni sawi de sare jule den hande programme bi fori kewi e ala ko to renga bodo minen inshallah kala dum jeey fo badum live adna fo yadu anda wonde ma Fulbe TV kala dum wonda fo de muru ay okay o jarawo ay jinon president o falama waynade ay
ne kade